Hi, my name is Stephen Umbo. I'm here to present the lectures on the topic called frequency control. Frequency control. In the first place, let us find out what is actually frequency before we talk of frequency control. What is frequency? Frequency at the local level, or commonly can be said to be an event per time, happening of an event per time. That is the number of times something happens per time is called frequency. Let's assume if children get to school uh, 7 times uh, in a month, so the frequency of going to that school, uh, the number of times of going to that school in a month is called a frequency. Always assume if your wife cook pounded yam 3 times in a week, that is the frequency. That is the number of happenings. The number of events per time is called frequency. But we are talking of, we want to talk about electrical frequency and how the frequency can be controlled. So in electrical frequency is the number of oscillations per time, which is called hertz. Let's assume an armature is rotating in between magnetic field of north and south pole. And if it revolve 3,000 times revolution, 3,000 times per minute, then it is 3,000 divided by 60 seconds, which will give you 50 hertz, and that's the revolutions. That is called frequency. So the number of times a conductor cuts magnetic field in order to generate electricity uh, per second, and in between the magnetic field of north and south poles, that is called a frequency. So, and what is the importance of the frequency before we even talk of controlling it? So, in the electrical power industry, the two main parameters are frequency and voltage. So, if you have a good generation with a good frequency and good voltage level, then definitely you will be delivering a quality power to the industry and to the consumers, and they will be able to use it effectively. So what normally result to frequency control is imbalance between the load demand on the grid system